Hi everyone, this video is dedicated on how to install Signature in Outlook for Windows. Once you created your signature on MySignature account, there is an install button underneath the signature preview. Then you need to choose Outlook instructions and we are ready to copy our signature to the clipboard by clicking so. After that, we are ready to proceed with Outlook application and click on a new email on the top left. Then on the top right, there is a signature icon that you need to click and go to signature settings. On the top, make sure that you're working with the email account that you need to work with, and we are ready to click new and type a name for this particular signature that we are working with. After that, there is a field for signatures. Make sure that you keep source formatting and then change all the settings for this particular signature and click OK to save those changes. When you're working with a new version of Outlook, there is the same icon on the top right to create a new signature, and here the same process. We are making sure we're working with the relevant account. We are naming the new signature, and here we just need to paste the signature that we are working with. Once we are done, we just click save and make sure that all the settings that are there meeting our needs. After that, we are actually ready to proceed with creating a new email and then having our signature on the template. I hope this video is very easy to follow. In case you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye, guys.